The unique patented design of Spellbinders die templates gives you added flexibility to use the dies themselves as stencils, adding a third functionality to each and every design. I'm going to cut and emboss this butterfly and show you just how easy it is to add pop to your favorite projects with chalk, ink, or markers. You can see here that this card was done with the stenciling feature of our dies. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take the die and we're going to put it down on the mat. And we're going to cut it first with some cardstock. And the first pass through the Wizard machine is simply going to cut out your shape. So first we're just going to run it through and cut it by rolling the rollers, push the handle forward, and walk it through. And out comes our shape all cut out. Now the second step is going to be to emboss the die. We're going to remove this plate and we're going to put the die down and we're going to put the rubber mat on top. This is actually going to emboss the die cut. And we're going to start again with the handle toward us, reach around, roll the rollers, and push the handle forward. Okay, so now we're ready to stencil. Now all of the dies have this feature. We're going to turn the die over, and then we're going to pick out our ink. And I use an ink applicator just so I can control the amount of ink that goes onto this die and the die cut. And we're just going to rub the ink applicator all over the die. And you're going to get this great wow effect. We're going to go ahead and pop this out. Wow, isn't that amazing? This is a totally unique feature to Spellbinders dies, but I'm going to step it up a notch and I'm going to add some chalk onto the die cut. So you're just going to rub your finger on some chalk, and I use my fingers just to show you how easy it is. And then we're just going to take and rub all over the die. And this just adds more detail to the die cut. And then I finish off by just going around and I edge all the way around the die. And this just makes everything blend together and look really cute. So there you have it, the butterfly die cut, embossed and stenciled, and it adds great effects to your projects.